right, guys, let's look at unit. Hi, guys. Today we'll be covering Unit 4, Lesson 12, Finding the Percentage. The lesson first starts off with this warm-up called Tax, Tip, and Discounts. Now, we see some familiar images, which is tape diagrams. All right, mine is very much so enlarged, so just excuse how enlarged it is. I don't know why that it saves like that, but it is what it is, okay? So, now, it wants us to guess what percentage of the car price is the tax, okay? So what portion of the car price is the tax? Now, we need to first figure out how many pieces is this whole tape diagram broken up into. So I see that it's broken up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, okay? So it's 5 pieces, right? So this whole thing represents 100. So how can I figure out what's the size of each portion? How can I figure out what's the size of each portion? If we have 5 pieces and all 5 of those pieces total out to 100. If you guess divide 100 divided by 5, you are absolutely correct. So 100 divided by 5 is 20. And you could either put that it's 20%. Well, not put either, because I was about to say 1/5, but we're not talking about like fractions. We're talking about percentages, so 20%. All right. Now, for the food cost, let's say what percentage of the food cost is the tip? All right. So the whole thing represents 100%. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. So 6 pieces divided by 100. Okay, 6 could go into 10 one time. 6 could go into 40. About how many times? 6 times. You guessed that correctly. Okay. 6 could go into 40. Well, oh, they ran out of zeros. So what's going to keep happening is that 6 is going to keep repeating. So we could leave it as, or we could say about 6.7% for the food cost. Okay. And last but not least is the shirt. The discounts is broken up into thirds. And even though it's broken up into thirds, we still want to do 100. And then 100 divided by 3 would be okay. 100. 3 can go into 10 3 times. Then you're going to get 10 again. Go in there 3 times. Then you're going to keep getting 10. And it should be at a decimal and a 0. Bring it down. And it should be about 33.3%. Okay, so it said what percentage of the shirt is a discount? 33.3%, and so on and so on. All right, guys. So if you guys had any questions about these tape diagrams, make sure you visit your manager's Google Meet session. I'll see you guys in the next question.